Hey, welcome back, design homies. It's now Monday, but it's day 5, so we're gonna pretend like it's Friday. That's pretty much it. This is gonna be the last day of our Gordon Ramsay cooking app project. Really, all we need to do is do a little bit of cleanup. And by cleanup, I'm gonna add another frame. I'm not even gonna mess with cleanup. We may make some text styles so that we could just recreate this in 2 seconds. But other than that, I think we're more or less done. Let's see here. Do I have these? I haven't fixed these yet. Grab this. And then change this to zeros. And same for this. I want my headings to be bold, like that, you know. So let's do it. We're gonna grab this. It is primary headline, we already did that, awesome. Then let's see here. So what would we call this? H2? Headline 2. So this is going to be headline 2 as well. Cool. And then these. What is this? So I'm going to say subheading. Create style, and this will be subheading 2. And then these can be body, right? I think so. And that should be all of my text, I do believe. What is this? Subheading 2, but what is that? Regular 10. What is this? So that's different than that. So that's semi-bold in 12. This is semi-bold in 14. So let's say body 2, I guess. It's kind of weird that those are a different size, but I'm not. It looks good, I guess. Alright. So we have that. Now, let's drag this over. We're going to recreate it again. I need to grab a couple of photos, I do believe. Let's see, I'll grab this photo, save image as Hot Wings. I'll rename this one to Hot Wings as well. Then, let's see. Let's look at this hero banner. So instead of that, I want it to be Hot Wings. There we go. Look at us. Look at us. That looks pretty good. And then the name of this one, let me just copy paste. I'm gonna do that. Baked chicken wings, give it the same 3-tier like that. That's good. This is actually just 1 hour. And does it say how many servings? Not really. I'll say, how many is that? 2 pounds of chicken wings. Lollipopped. Okay. So I'm gonna say it serves 4 to 6. Alright, then I should probably have some coffee. Hello. Hello. Now, I need to find a new picture of Gordon cooking. So pull this over. Gordon Ramsay cooking. Images. Looks like a pretty good one. I don't need to make that image huge. I'll just save it as like the thumbnail. Gordon is cooking. Cool. Now we'll come over here, grab this rectangle here. Change this to Gordon is cooking. There we go. Hell yeah. So how many ingredients do we have on this? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. I might not have to. Oh no, I am gonna have to, aren't I? No, wait. Sweet. If everything has the same number of, like, ingredients in this case, and then steps, I don't really have to re-prototype. A few knobs of unsalted butter. Freshly ground black pepper. And then hot sauce of choice, which if you're not using Louisiana hot sauce on your chicken, you're doing it wrong. Hot sauce of choice. Take that, everybody. It's in the recipe now. Take that, Gordon. Use Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, so then we have ingredients. What is that? I'm confused with what I've done there. Are these the veggies? Those are the veggies, yes. So, what I want to do this hot wings steps. There we go. So step 1 is actually preheat the oven again. So cool. And just come in here, grab that, Control V. Boop, boop. Why is it like that? There we go. And then we go all the way down to the all steps. Control V. Not really sure why there's so many. Line breaks there. That's the word I'm looking for. Line break. 2, Control V, Pat Chicken. So now we're on step 3. There we go. Step 3, paste. And then lastly, step 4. And there is no step 5. Awesome. So then we can get rid of this one. And then step 4 up here. There we go. And then also I need to replace actually, can I just remove this? I can. So that should be correct. Let's see. If we go to prototype, we have complete goes down to this one. This one goes back up. Wait, what is? Yeah, that works. Complete goes down. Previous goes up. Complete goes down. Previous goes up. And show all steps goes down. Cool. And then show all steps goes up. Okay. Do I actually have on this one hide all steps? Hide all steps. Okay, good. We're good. So now I should be able to go back to design, grab this first one, Control C, come over here, grab the cooking instructions section, and then Control Shift R to paste to replace. Hell yeah. Looks like everything has come correctly up like that. Perfect. Let's just make sure our prototype works now. Does this work? Hey, it does. Awesome. Hot Ones inspired baked chicken wings. We can scroll down. Nice. Okay, so that expands and contracts. Good deal. And then can move all the way through these. I still just do not understand why previous doesn't seem to work. Other than previous not working, does it work for 2? What? I just don't get it. Everything's set up the same. So, there's that. I didn't mean to do that. Cool. Let's see. I'd like to make this a little bit taller. But also, I don't want it to just be like an enormous header, you know? Seems weird. If I drag that down, though, does everything push down? It does. Okay. So one other thing we're gonna have to do is down here, we're gonna have to add another, let's see here, can I just do this? Okay, that's not messing anything. Inspired hot wings, right? Is that what our recipe was called? I guess I could just come up here and hot ones inspired baked chicken wings. Let's say baked chicken wings. It's just too long. Okay, so then if we prototype this, baked chicken wings, get that out of here, we're actually gonna go straight up. So on click, we want it to, there we go. It was, shit, is it slide out? That way? I think. He's in and out. And then what were the other ones? Let's see. Slide out that way, ease in and out. Okay, we're good. That was correct. So then if we come back over here and have a sip of coffee and then prototype. Nice. Everything fits. I love it. I don't know. I don't really know why that scrolls below. It shouldn't. But now, in our menu here, if I hit baked chicken wings, it takes us to baked chicken wings. I love it. Cool. So, I think what I want to do now, I'm going to grab this header and this rectangle, and I'm going to add 8 to it, plus 8. And then for this and this, I'm going to move it down 8. And hopefully, let's see here, let's grab that. Paste to replace. Paste to replace. And now let's check our prototype and see if Gordon's name is still being chopped. It's not. Nice, okay. Also, does it really go down that far? Maybe on this phone, but mine doesn't quite look like this up here. It's a little bit wider and a little bit more narrow, maybe? I don't know. But cool, we have a really neat cooking app now. Is there anything else we wanted to do for this? Or are we gonna call it more or less right here? I don't really need these. I guess that's a wireframe. Day 2 wireframe. Day 2 wireframe with hero image at the top. Oh, okay. Yeah. So this is our header and navigation. Banner image of dish. Okay, we're gonna move that down there. What did we say? Fix this tomorrow, nerd. We already did. So can I resolve that? Resolve. Dope. I'm gonna notate this a little bit more. So added images where images belong. And then on this one we're gonna say moved banner from middle of the page to the top of the page. Decided to go with that aesthetic Cool, like that. I think that's mostly done for us today. Everything works as intended. I don't really need these example images in here, I don't think. Cool. So I'll notate this too, in case I get confused months down the line. Trying different spacing between text and CTAs. Made this silly little icon for these CTA buttons. Kind of on brand, I like it. And then, yeah, I don't need these. I can get rid of that. Drag this up. Are we in prototype? Where is Flow 1? Flow 1, what are you doing over here? Okay, so now if I'm just like not highlighting anything and I go to play, it should start where I want it. Nice, it does. Recipes, we want roast beef and gravy, baked chicken wings, or roasted rude vegetables. What? No, 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 no. You fool. Roasted root vegetables. Nobody was rude to us. There we go. Baked chicken wings. Roast beef with gravy. And then by default it shows you the ingredients, but you can collapse those once you're done. And then you've got this nice little video at the top of your page. Everything moves up. I love this. This is so clean. Cool. I think we're good. One thing I could do, let's see here. I could go in here and say, can I do that now? Absolute position, constrained proportions, that's not what I want. Independent corners. I swear there was a... So it's not resized to fit. It should be right here. Do I have to have this on there? Surely not. I want it fixed while scrolling, but I can't figure out how to get it to say that. It was right here, right? Is there a way to do it in here? That's not what I want, but I can't find the fixed position. Maybe that's what I... Well, no, because it's still gonna scroll, I think, if I do that. No, it just moves everything else behind it up. I don't know why that's gone. Let's see here. Constraints, left and top. That all makes sense. I'll have to find that later, I guess. I'm not sure where that moved to, but cool, you guys. We've got a nice working prototype. I'm gonna go through it one more time before I sneeze because I'm fighting it. So this is roast beef. Everything works. Show all steps, hide all steps, hide ingredients, menu, recipes, baked chicken, nice. This all works. You can hide the ingredients, show all steps, ya. Come back up here, and then root vegetables with crushed pepitas. Hide the ingredients, complete, show all steps. I'm happy with that. I think that looks really good. I like that this one doesn't scroll past the top of the page either. Why does that one? Does the other one? That one doesn't go down, and neither does root vegetables, right? Is there a constraint that I have on those that I don't on the other one? It's not auto laid out, neither is this one though. Fixed. They're all the same. I copy and pasted them all. I don't know why this one's acting different, but it's good enough for getting the message and the point across. The functionality is there, more or less. So, cool. What would be... Are we happy with this color? I don't know what else we would change it to. Let's go back to his website really quick. I want to drag it over so you guys can see it. We'll full screen it. Just go back to his main page. Zoom out a bit. Yeah, oh man, very black and white, which is fine. That's totally fine. Just kind of wondering if I should bring in change that color to white or something. We have green for, you know, health conscious reasons and environmental kind of calls, but alright, just for giggles over here, let's go over and change the color of these. Ho, hee hee. So Phil, I actually just want this to be like a very white. Is that this one? Oh yeah, Control C. Actually, that might be all I need, but I'm gonna paste that there anyways. Okay, so let's see what that did. Now when we pull over that, it's not white, but it's close. What if we add, hear me out, we're gonna add another fill. We're gonna do a linear gradient. And then flip those, of course. I like that. I do want it to be a different direction though. I think I want the dark over here. And then the light on this side, maybe? All right, I like that. Nope. We're gonna say nav gradient. And then I'm just gonna slap that on here too. So now we have that. Looks a little bit nicer. We don't really have hover states on that, but that's okay. Hover states could probably make that a little bit nicer, but I think we're done. I think we're more or less done for today. For this week. Just got a nice little proof of concept here for a redesign of Gordon Ramsay's website. And it looks very similar. I'm pretty proud of it. I think it looks clean. It functions really clean. I like the way you can collapse and kind of check off things on the list so you can follow around without losing your place. I think that's really, really helpful. Because, man, I use a lot of recipes and I look at them mainly on my phone, and just between the scrolling between the ingredients and at the very, very freaking bottom of the page is like the actual recipe, it's just a pain in the ass. And I think this is a cleaner, better way to present all that information. If you're gonna give everybody extraneous info, at least give me the option to like collapse it and not clutter my page, you know? So I like what we did. I think it's really cool. And it looks nice. Just looks nice. So there's all of that zoomed in. And I'm going to call it here, you guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thank you for chilling with me while I practice my design chops. And yeah, I appreciate you. If you enjoy it, drop a follow. Come say hey sometimes. Usually I'm live at like 9 a.m. Mountain Time for about an hour Monday through Friday. This week got a little bit weird. This coming week is probably going to get a little bit weird, so bear with me. But yeah, we're out here regularly doing this kind of stuff. So if you're, just getting into UI UX, hopefully this is a little bit helpful to you. Just seeing kind of workflow and how to make things kind of move how you want. If you have any questions, hit me with them. I'm happy to help. And yeah, that's it for us this week. Find out what project is coming this next coming week. It may actually, instead of doing like a 5-day project, since this week is going to be potentially weird, I might just do like a very easy, simple 3-day project, something like that. But we might start that tomorrow, probably we'll start that tomorrow. So drop a follow, turn on those notifications, and come chill. It should be good. I will see you guys soon. Have an excellent rest of your day, and if you're in the States, happy 4th, I guess. Feeling a little less independent than usual, but yeah, have a great day, you guys, and fuck the Supreme Court. Have a good one.